this recipe is, what you call this? Potato with spring onions. And pakora, as usual, for the whole month of Ramadan, must be we have to make pakora. Fruit chat, konting fruit chat, banana at saka ano lang ito, guava, wala ng apple. And then 3 pieces of samosa, and this is cake crust. Of course, dates and juice. Ayan. 6th day of Ramadan ngayon. Alhamdulillah, ang bilis ng araw. As usual, chapati. Ilang pieces ito? 11 pieces na chapati. Because I have rice. I will eat rice with vegetable. And ito naman yung pakora. Ayan. Muusok pa oh. How many minutes more left before iftari open fasting? 10 minutes more. As usual, chapati, 11 or 12 pieces na chapati. And then with vegetables. Yan, ito na yung pakora. Oh. Ayan, bagong luto, muusok pa. Oh. Chapati with vegetables. For me, with rice. Rice is life.